What does a fighter jet have to do with autonomous vehicles? The answer is quite a bit. I co-founded AEye with Louis Toussaint, a brilliant technologist and a chief engineer on the Sniper Advanced Targeting Pod for fighter jets. In designing surveillance, reconnaissance, and defense systems for these jets, Louis realized that the automated systems needed to instantly recognize incoming missiles, decide, and act. He also recognized that any robot, and in particular self-driving cars, would be faced with similar challenges. The cars had to see their environment, they had to identify and recognize the important objects in the scene, and they had to decide and act, whether it was a car on the side of the road or a young child racing across the street, all in real time and before it was too late. With these principles in mind, Louis designed an intelligent perception system with military-grade performance for autonomous vehicles. AEye's perception system is called IDAR. It stands for Intelligent Detection and Ranging, and it combines solid-state agile LiDAR with a high-definition camera and adds artificial intelligence to create a truly smart perception system. The video you're seeing is really a point cloud, which illustrates how the information can be boiled down to the important objects in the scene if you have intelligence. By taking the system and allowing the sensor to focus at the sensor level, we can interrogate the important issues in the scene like the human eye, and we can collect better data and we can collect it faster. Because of that, IDAR speeds the decision made by the autonomous car, and it improves safety. And it also allows AEye to play in two different and distinct markets. ADAS, which stands for Advanced Driver Assist Systems, and mobility. The ADAS market is expected to grow 19% year over year for the foreseeable future and to reach $67 billion by 2025. And AEye can work in that market because we have an intelligent sensor that can collect precisely the data needed for the ADAS decision. And mobility is expected to grow at 112% year over year for the next 10 years and to reach $1.2 to $2.7 trillion by 2030. An AI system is designed for that market because it doesn't miss anything and it is intelligent about identifying the objects within the market. So what is the promise? The promise is self-driving cars. The car that becomes not just a transportation vehicle, but also maybe our office, maybe our entertainment place. Improve safety, decrease congestion, less deaths in the world. But that's not the only thing. Because really any robot that can see the world and appreciate what is there can do whatever we can dream about it to do. And AEye plans to be there with the vision to see those dreams come true. Thank you.